Offering complete end-to-end engineering services, we leverage SOLIDWORKS 3D and DraftSight 2D CAD solutions to provide advanced product and process modeling, while being ASME certified and NFPA compliant. In addition, robust simulation tools like SOLIDWORKS FEA ensure quality by analyzing static stresses, loading, and fatigue life of complex geometry, allowing us to verify that application requirements are met. Beyond modeling and design calculations, we offer a wide range of engineering documentation from piping and instrumentation diagrams to detailed drawings with installation, operation, and maintenance manuals. We operate from